I feel like sometimes these loads never stop, constantly one in, one out, and you're probably the same. But actually, if you think about it, how often do you clean your washing machine? If you haven't thought about that, don't worry, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you how. One of the most forgotten about areas is the drainage system. You'll find it here. All you'll need to do is pop the cap off and allow the water to drain into the bowl like so. Now we want to check the holder for any blockages or residue from previous washes. That all looks good from here. So we want to pay attention to the door and first check the seal. It may have some marks, so just wipe that away. So we recommend only using soapy water and a cloth, of course. Following this, we want to check for anything left in the barrel, potentially any tissue or any rubbish left in pockets, and maybe even some coins. Now all that's left to do is give the door a good wipe down. You'll notice this getting a little bit dirty over time. It usually looks a bit like dust. Following this, we recommend giving the outside a good wipe down with some warm soapy water. And finally, to stop anything from smelling when you're not using your washing machine, leave the door slightly ajar. We also recommend a monthly service. This is a simple wash at 60 to 90 degrees with no clothes and some detergent that has bleach in it. Be sure to keep on top of cleaning. It's only going to help your clothes smelling fresh and clean. And that is you done.